My cooling isn't working. Oh, I know why. Let's fix it. Yoink. Yoink. It's kind of interesting to see. They got a turbo run cap right here, so definitely gonna steal that. We're gonna get this shaft looking all shiny with this, like this. Oh yeah. What y'all know about this? What y'all know about this? For those of you who don't know, the screw right here, the lock-in screw, service wrench, fits it perfectly. I think I used the 5/16 end. Beep. All right, let's see if that wheel's loose enough to come out. Ah, look at that. The bracket broke off the motor. That's funny. Had to bust out the big dog. Forgot I had this. This part just goes over here. Crank these 3 screws down. Twist this John. And this John should slide right up. Woo! Look at that. Shiny. Oh, yep. Wheel is lined up. Give her a crank. Got our old speeds, new taps. This motor's newer, so I'm gonna have to crimp some connectors on there to go in there, but pretty simple, just 3 wires. Got it wired in nice, got it grounded, got the cap in right here. Oh yeah, labeled that John. 10 MFDs, baby. Also gonna swap out the blower relay. Look at this thing, dude. Clean as hell, bro. Oh my God. Oh yeah. All right, thermostat should be set to have the blower on continuously. Oh shit. Boink. That thing is happening. Well, cooling kicked on. Gotta check my amperages. Bro, look at my return time. 65 return, 45 supply. That shit's crazy, bro. I gotta go see what's up with that. But yeah, besides that, this unit is now